Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another video, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the Hamster, about the Hamster Kombat game dev. And I think I already done one video back in the days, like a month ago, so it's already on the channel. But Hamsterverse is like big universe, so it's having the separate playlist on my channel because simply I'm just going to play, well, I'm playing already on daily basis all of those games, maybe not that frequent, but I will be playing more frequently, so I will basically do lots of videos from this universe just simply because the idea and the game is just amazing, and also they are introducing to the seasonal airdrops, which the first airdrop is going to be on the 26th of September, so just keep that in mind. This is the game where genuinely they're trying to hook you up with the game, but also if you will be investing the time and the money into it, they will basically give you bigger, higher rewards for your efforts, and ultimately you will be able to make like a sustained income from this at some point. Well, not this year, if you just started like me, definitely not, but if we're talking about like years from now to come, you will definitely be rewarded for playing those games. So first thing first, we are in right now with the Hamster Kombat game dev. So this is the main screen. I will try to maybe move that window a little bit so you can see the bottom of the screen. Just give me a second, guys. Just a little, just slightly like so you can see actually on the bottom of the screen. I just realized it's like after fucking 2 weeks or 3 weeks, like actually the overlay is covering the, but you are smart people, so you will figure anyway. So first thing first, we have the profits from the last quest or task, should I say, and then we can grab this so we can climb the rewards. If we are not going to the game to climb the rewards after the time of the first task, the program itself will run some other tasks, but they're not really that rewarding. So basically what I'm trying to say, we can go here and click this button over there, change project, which basically means to run project. We always going to the bottom of the list, which is going to be the most valuable project, and in my case it's going to be a shooter, so we can actually get the profit almost 6.5 million by doing this. And then you have a time here, so it's 2 hours 40 minutes, and here is the requirement. So we need the free programmers, free graphic designers, and free level designers. So you have that cubic cubes so well, you know what I'm talking about. So the keyboards for the graphic designer, the brush for the fuck me one more time, keyboards for the programmers, brush for the graphic designers, and then we have the cubes for the game designers. So we're just going to press this shooter, then we can use setting, and to be honest with you, we can just use whatever because that's not really gonna make more profit. So I always trying to just juggle around with this, but I don't know, you can go with the last one, I guess. You can go with the first one. I'm just gonna do the first one. I'm just going to press start project, and right now basically the whole game is all about to just log in after 2 hours and 40 minutes. So this is the timing. We can actually decrease that timing by going to the CEO room or office room. I think it's office room. Yeah, so we can decrease that time by going to the office room. This is our team here. Another slot will be available if we're going to use the 32 million whatever currency it is, hamster, silver hamster. And then on the top we have the development tab, and then marketing tab, and some special tab which is coming soon. So we can do nothing here. So we're going to the development tab, and then we can basically upgrade everything with this tab, and everything what you're going to upgrade with this tab will basically make this project runs go faster. So we'll decrease, because as you can see, you have the keyboard here, you have the brush here, and you have the cubes here. And basically when you go one more time going to the office tab and you're going to the development tab, you'll be able to basically make it run faster. So for example, we have here 18 level, and then you see plus 20 minutes, so plus 20 points per minute basically. So that's gonna basically boost timing of our developments. So actually I use all the gold or silver, I should say, but we have some other one I can use. So basically you just want to max out everything here But basically, you just want to max out everything everywhere. So that's the idea. Actually, I like the pictures. I like the game. I like the design. Everything is Hamster. So we have the gaming chairs. We have the AI art, very fast Wi-Fi, game console. What we have, the time trackers, invite mentors, studio mascot, host local meetups, industrial espionage. We have weekend game jams. We have the give a talk, go to the conference, develop your own engine in Office Spa, cookies, rapid prototyping, R&D, digital orange. We have flash recruitment, in-house stuff, and in marketing, what we have in marketing, cross game ads. We have the start streaming channel. Hopefully, I will start soon my streaming channel. Likes are essential. Studio podcast at some point, maybe on the different channel. That's the idea, to do the podcast with people who want to talk about the game, Web3 gaming, and apps in general. Ads and billboards, a rumor, open Discord server at some point, why not as well. That's what everybody wanna do, I guess. It's not really that mandatory right now because I'm like a new channel, but basically you can actually take all those ideas just by looking at this game, which is sort of silly, funny, but also at the same time, like, lots of young people are gonna jump into that game and they actually just take those ideas, and they're useful ideas, right? Because everybody's supposed to open the Discord, do the YouTube podcasts and streams. That's the universe we are living right now. So your own store and cameo, so that's what you can upgrade here. Games like super self-explanatory. We obviously will have shop for people who have money, shop. And then we have some events which are going to come in soon. And pretty much that's it. That's everything what I really want to say. Thank you much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. If you can join me to the bumps, that'd be like I super appreciate, because I want to build over there the city and ultimately like our neighborhood. So we are going to gather over there and everybody can upgrade our team, our clan, our neighborhood over there, but by using the stars. And everybody can use 10 stars to boost our profits for 24 hours. So that's cool. On top of that, I will like to build a city later on in that game, so we will have more profits. Why I'm advertising this game? Excuse me, because this is like a massive project. It's going to be lots of rewards in the future, and they collaborating with like lots of fucking amazing games, apps as well. So this is definitely something you want to dive in. The Hamsterverse also is definitely something you want to dive in. Actually, I'm just going to show you right now as well. If you are, as you can see, I have a playlist for all the things from the Hamsterverse universe, Hamsterverse. And which one is going to be? Hamster Kombat announcement. That's not the one. Hamster Kombat. So this is like the main bot, and then when we are going to go press the Hamsterverse, the window is going to open for us all the apps within the Hamster, and then we can go to Profile tab. So on that Profile tab, you will see the amounts of diamonds you earned before in some other games, and then you will see from which games we are able to get diamonds. Right now we are able to get the diamonds from the Gamedev heroes, although I didn't grab any diamonds from that game yet, so I don't know. And then we can see the seasonal airdrop, which is going to be on the 26th of September. So every game we are going to play, they will work towards the seasonal airdrop, but as you can see, none of those games, well, actually Gamedev apparently working towards the diamonds, but the only game I had like one day playing a super amazing game, which was that Hamster interlude, but I don't know it's going to be, or no idea. I hope that game is going to be, because that basically the game was about the minting NFTs and was like super cool to play, super amazing, super exciting. Super on every level, and I just wish to play this. Social media, don't really care about the social media right now. You know what, guys, I'm just gonna jump one more time to the Hamster Gamedev heroes and just try to find out like So that's definitely the earn tab doesn't really work for me anymore because I don't really want to watch the videos for the small amounts of. Then we have the daily combo, daily cipher. I'm never going to be able to do this. Like you need to do like a alphabet, like Morse alphabet, to be able to win something from it. But I can be asked to do this. Like I don't care. Office, shop, and events. And I don't think so. It's introduced yet. Like it's actually telling us on that app we can get the crystals, but like I said, all those crystals I didn't get them from Gamedev because I would know that, and I know I received that from the last game because that's actually telling me here, or maybe not. Hamster King, Hamster Dev Heroes, Fight Club, Hamster Boost. So it actually seems like this game is not going to be in that Hamster verse. We have the Fight Club, we have the Hamster Game Dev, we have the Hamster King, and we have the Hamster Boost. So, oh well, we'll see. Maybe it's going to be in the future, or maybe it's not going to be at all. Anyway, I will do the separate video about this, what I'm talking right now, but I just thought at the end of every hamster video I'm supposed to actually show you this, guys, because at the end of the day you want to know when it's going to be airdrop, right? So that's basically it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video tomorrow. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Hamster King, and then after tomorrow, actually, I want to go one more time with this video. So that's like my schedule for this month. That's what I wrote down for this month to not just do the random stuff. Just want to prepare it and actually do the videos with the apps I'm running. And obviously at some point you have to understand I will juggle, or I will actually go back to the apps which I've done, let's say, a month ago, just simply because I will just run them on the consistent basis, and I just want to do updates of those games what I'm running. So stay tuned obviously for this. Stay tuned for lots of stuff from the Hamsterverse, lots of stuff from the TOYGERS. And with that being said, I'm just gonna jump just literally for a second. So for those who don't know, this is the TOYGERS app. By the way, thank you very much for those people who add me. 10 people add me already. You are able to grind the points. Those points you will be able to use for purchasing the stuff from this app. They announced already, it's not implemented anything yet. It's going to happen this year, hopefully, and you will be able to get the hats, hoodies, jewelry, gloves, candle sets, some kind of toys, robots. I don't know exactly what's going to be, but they just saying this is just a small fraction of what they actually announced. So it's going to be fuckloads of stuff. I'm super excited about this. Stay tuned for more. In the 37 minutes I will unlock almost, I think it's going to be last day or either another day to build my own toy builder. And with that being said, I will grant access to 10,000 points per day by doing fuck all. You can grant access to this as well by basically joining this game and unlocking that. And then on top of that, we are going to be able to build your own toy with your own logo, with your own brand. So I'm super excited because I want to build the toy with obviously my YouTube logo. Actually, I have like 2 logos in mind. Like one logo is like on my YouTube channel, so it's like cyberpunk version of me. So I might use this one, and then I have like logo from my back Switchback gaming channel. So I had like gaming channel about the Diablo 2 and Diablo 4, but I don't really want to play Diablo anymore. So I might use that. I have like the 2 arrows, and that basically means like you are switching back. So you're going back to playing maybe the game, or you're coming back maybe to do something else. Anyway, so thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.